Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to restart your JBL GO 4. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So as a first step, we need to turn on our speaker by clicking this power button right here. Now we need to find these two buttons on the top of the speaker. This is play or pause button and this is volume up button. We need to hold them for about 2 seconds. Let's do it. After you hear the speaker turned off, that means you have successfully restarted your speaker. Now I will show you how to connect to your phone after a restart. So for that we need to firstly turn on our speaker by clicking this power button right here. Now we need to open Bluetooth settings, find this JBL GO 4 which you connected to before, click on this E icon and click forget this device, and again forget device. After this we wait until our speaker appears on the list of available devices. If you can see it, you can try turn off the Bluetooth and turn it on again. And after this your speaker will connect to your phone. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.